Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're comparing Amazon Affiliate Program, which is Amazon Associates, with Amazon Influencer Program. So Amazon offers two major monetization programs: creators, influencers, bloggers, and website owners. Amazon Affiliate Program, a widely used referral program that allows anyone with a blog, website, or social media channel to earn commission by linking to Amazon products. It has an easy access requirement and you can promote on blogs, websites, YouTube, social media. Customer storefront is not available, tracking and analytics with standard affiliate tracking and dashboard. Also, the earning potential is moderate, depends on niche or traffic, and it's best for bloggers, niche websites, review sites. Although it has no storefront or advanced tools, commission rate is typically low, from 1% to 10%, cookie duration is just 24 hours, and links can look cluttered or intrusive in content. Now moving to Amazon Influencer Program, a more exclusive social media focused program designed for creators with an engaged following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, offering access to custom storefront and product promotion tools. It requires a decent social media following and a review, mostly social media, Instagram like TikTok, YouTube, etc. And there is a custom storefront, personalized Amazon storefront. It has enhanced analytics and influencer storefront data. The earning potential is higher with video content and storefront tools, and it's best for influencers, YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagrammers. So, with that, although approval not guaranteed because it needs a quality audience, heavily reliant on social traffic, and needs consistent content output to stay visible, also no significant benefit for long-focused creators. So, through both offer commission-based earnings, the tools, requirements, and audiences differ significantly. So, choose Amazon Affiliate Program if you're a blogger, content writer, SEO specialist, or website owner looking to passively earn through links in blog posts or guides, and just starting and want minimal entry barriers. And choose Amazon Influencer Program if you're a creator with an engaged Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook following, and comfortable making video or social media account, and you want to promote through storefront and have more visual brand. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.